The big brand sale is now on at OK Furniture. Spend 2,999 or more and stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 1 million rands. View our latest catalog and shop these amazing deals by the 6th of April 2025 while stock lasts. T's and C's apply.
Shop kunjani bafethu iDiski TV iDiski Times World Sports Betting Lindo noboba bafethu Orlando Pirates not Orlando Pirates sorry Kaizer Chiefs 1 TS Galaxy 1 a game of two halves. A game of not a lot of opportunities. We saw Bobs in TS Galaxy. Obviously, they had a better second half. Kaizer Chiefs had a better second half, but not too many opportunities created. I think they only had both teams the entire game. They had two big chances created. I think goalkeeper saves are about 3-4, but the advantage of ball position was only Kaizer Chiefs. The scruff of the game was only Kaizer Chiefs. I think in the first half, Kaizer Chiefs dominated the midfield, but in the second half, Abomkaka is kinda lemal, but kinda lemal, but to Kandrish. Congratulations to Kandrish, man, for the Man of the Match award. I think he played exceptionally well, more especially bossing the midfield, because Abomarti had the scruff of the neck in the first half. Ucheka Ungobo, he looked more of a defensive midfielder. Omarta, Pepe, Tuzane, Nai. It seems like they could do something, more especially Maba spread them up wide, whether they are finding Usirino, whether they are finding Ulilepa. I think Usirino had moved the chances that he missed away. I think in the first half, he played exceptionally well. I think Bega occupied my pockets very well. I think Bobzini connected the midfield and the forward players. I think Utuba as well, very mobile as well, unpredictable in the movement. Yeah, okay. What I like Utuba Bobzini is the movement of the ball. I think he offers the Kaizer Chiefs a lot. And obviously, Ntwani and Atlanta a goal, because every time when he plays, it seems like he's creating or he's scoring. But if on a checky game overall, not a game of too many opportunities, I think Kaizer Chiefs played very well, like I said, in the first half. In the second half, you only saw glimpses of what TS Galaxy could do, more especially the front six players, because we check out the two center back, Umdamase, no Mbunjwa. I think Umdamase played very well. He came Mbunjwa, you can tell he's not a natural center back. Yeah. The left back made too many mistakes. You can tell back to Gluza Lentwano Kabini. He hasn't been playing long in the season. He's the one that makes the initial mistake in the first half, gives the ball to Serino. Serino has the very good first touch. He does everything right. Instead, Picky Sport makes a goalkeeper save. I think I like Kutuba, a continuation here run, good finish, good commitment, because he could have broken his leg there. More checker, two defenders are coming closer to him. But to check if Kaizer achieves in their first half as well, I think very dominant performance in terms of them controlling the game. Even though he came, you would feel, Bobo, that ETS Galaxy would not score. But in the second half, the coaches, the technical team, the conditioning coaches, the analysts, I think they came together and they understood the assignment that the game is not over. We've got 45 minutes to play for, and I think they had a better second half. Thoughts?
My leader, unjani?
Sharp, ne?
Sharp, my leader. Itingbolisa machita onkaphelelo, my leader.
Yeah.
So, my leader, ukhuluma ivalo uthi a game of two halves. Mawungabheka iChiefs bekumele irepele game first half. Mina ukuya ngami the way iChiefs idlala ngakhona first half. Mawungabheka the way aboSerino bebadlala ngakhona. Njengoba usho. USerino ngomunye umdlali ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukuba khona kwakhe ku lineup yeChiefs kuba nama changes amaningi kakhulu. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi iChiefs bekumele le game irepile first half mawungabheka nokubuya kwaDuba kuye kwanceda. That's why ngiye ngaba worried kancane ngokubukela iChiefs the time uDuba thola injury. Ngasho ngathi beka on form la mfana mawungabheka kathi uDuba bokumuntu obonisa ukuthi is hungry for amagoli. After atholele ya injury then waqala iChiefs iqala ukustruggleisha ngokuthola amagoli. So into engibonile nje ngeChiefs ukuthi bebana mistake nabo man, especially uma ungabheka ku final third iChiefs in a problem. I think it's the only team mina vele namanje ngisasho khona ucreate ama clear chances, even ama half chances.
Even though they didn't create much today, but the ones that they created, more especially like Kosimpile Ngobo in the box where he's supposed to take a touch, is all shot same time. You know, Augustine Serino as well in the second half, started the second half, good counter press from Yusuf Mart on the left hand side, wins the ball, pokes it to Gaston which at the same time, but we pass a good side net. So they do create opportunities.
Yeah, so ngiyacabanga my leader the way iChiefs idlala ngakhona is solid for second half, because second half mawungabheka I still iChiefs oyibona idlala first half. Kufikela khona i-team efana neTS Galaxy yafuna ukuthatha igame uKaizer Chiefs mawungabheka ifike yafuna dominator, and I like the way i-team efana neTS Galaxy ngakhona ukungabi khona kwabo Sibelebele banabadlali mhlawumbe i-depth yokusebenzisa lela side, because uSibelebele akekho but siyambona umdlalo ofana noPuso uyafika uba khona kule position. Bheka ukungabi khona komdlali uba nentwana right back le yamaTreds.
LamaTreds ulento uzumvelasa, but umvelasa manje sebamdlala embizeni.
Le dlala right back.
Umunyani.
I-replacement yakhe ikhona today. You understand? So kusho kona ukuthi baleka lapho nalapho uyabona ukuthi ukuhamba Western Tape K1 kubalimazile uKabini ukuletha umdlalo ofana noMbunjani njengoba usho too many mistakes manje ngabheka ama mistake amaningi lawa sometimes iChiefs ithola ama chances khona ama mistake ayenze ile defense
overplaying
exactly
overconfidence
so uyabona ukuthi inkinga iba khona kwamanye ama position especially uma ngabe mhlawumbe uhambisa abanye abadlali so ngiyacabanga ukuthi iyenze ngcono second half team efana neTS Galaxy ukubuya ukuthi mhlawumbe izo equalize the way sibone idlala ngakhona so mina akukho my leader man engathi ngakusho I'm worried man ngocoach naba angazi ukuthi sekumele enzeni because abadlali sometimes ungabheka uya rotate my leader namhlanje uDove uhleze ebenchini ubuyile uCross njengoba uCross bekana ama mistake uDove uyenza ama mistake last umbeke ebenchini today ukungena kwakhe uyabona nawo ukuthi beyangakabe ready na ibhola manje ufuna ukulifaka ne-10 so poor defense especially kuma set piece maqombe amaningi man astruglisha ngokubona maqombe amaningi even Sundowns Pirates Chiefs ngama set piece those corner kicks in bheka ukuthi uvumo ugcina afuna ukwenza ama mistake afuna ukuyoya nomdlali ebholeni kuma areas ball kuyikhona kick kusho kona ukuthi ba strugglisha sometimes ukudefenda lama set piece so ngiyacabanga ukuthi inkinga sometimes esihlangabezana nayo man uma ungabheka la ku Betway ukuthi sinama defender most of the time abekho abaclick especially kuma set piece
my leader mina the only thing nje before sivala I just want to give credit to lengwenya le edlala la number 9 uZamovic I think he's one of the most underrated players in the league because I think also the team that he's playing for it's important to mention that also in this match TS Galaxy are third on the log leader they are third on the log and Kaizer Chiefs are only 8th I think even though they've played I think 2 more games than Stellenbosch if I'm not mistaken but they're 32 points away from I think that they're third on the log so it's very important to mention Lengwenyu Zamovic I think he's had an exceptional season even in this game he's won bega add an element of surprise I think Upuso is more of an athlete on the right side I think the boy surprised me because for me I never knew that he's got that dribbling wizard in him I thought he's more of a very traditional winger who can go bypass and to bring in a cross because that's typically how they used to play last season but I think never retake him in Akeman leadership I think he's playing with a lot of confidence playing with a lot of energy but you know TS Galaxy is a team that plays with a lot of energy credit to Mukaka I think in the second half he showed why he was given a number 10 at Stellenbosch at some point Umvelase as well Umvelase forever consistent my leader forever yes he's maybe not flamboyant uthi uyathandeka elihlweni but he works extremely hard I think he works extremely hard wins amabhola understands that his responsibility is one of the leaders in that team but credit to Kaizer Chiefs as well in the second half performance I think in overall leadership it was a good game to watch from both coaches good display from coaches interesting to watch
my leader Chiefs sayibongisa because ithethe isikhathi ukuthi reach 30 point but today ukufika kwayo ku 30 point it's something ekhona ukachieve because abantu bebaloko babhizi bathi yofika nini ku 30 point so ukuthola le throw yes bebadlala ekhaya kuya nge feature but ukufika ku 30 point ifikile namhlanje so angazi my leader ngicela ungitshele sometimes ubona kanjani ngomdlalo ofana noLilepo don't you think uLilepo umdlalo umntene mhlambe adlale as a striker because uma ngathi uyambheka mina ngeke ngambona kuma areas ball man unayo lento mhlambe ukuthi angaba mhlambe adlalele tuzane nebox I don't know just that mhlambe ngendlela ngibona ngakhona and remember thina sibantu ukuthi sazi kangcono singegejimini but ngiyambona uLilepo ngathi unawo lama qualities ukuthi angadlala as a 9 adlale as a striker because ungabheka sometimes lela side akulo ngiyazi ukuthi ufuna ukusebenzisa la space asebenzisa la umarun but uba nokuba nobusayile kancane uma adlala kulela side because i-end product ibalekile my leader if udlala kulela side because sidinga yona egcineni you can dribble ungenza noma ngabe yini but at the end of the day sifuna ukubona ukuthi usiphatheleni ku final third
my leader I've got different perspective about foreign people that come into our game and uLilepo is one of them when the season started in January not in the season in January I said that the first observation when you profile a player is he's a threat right leadership he's always a threat to goal you're looking at 1v1 situation you're looking at the fact that psychological profile as well mental profile you're also looking at the skill set he does have those qualities is he a special player probably not will he have a good career yes but for me is he a ceiling raiser no I don't think he's a ceiling raiser and any foreign player that comes into the country whether player coach technical staff analyst administration for me you need to be a ceiling raiser because when we're speaking about the Betway Premiership PSL we're speaking about a product that needs to be improved is he a ceiling raiser no in my opinion does he make the Kaizer Chiefs squad better probably yes
no ngiyabamba my leader so ngendlela bengisho ngakhona ngithi mina vele ngiyacabanga ukuthi bengaba right kule position because ngiyacabanga angaba good naku finishing but lapha dlala khona wide my leader.
I know. It's a 2-2 chance. When you look at his profile, he's good with his head in terms of Fuklipa. He can play as a 9. I think, in my opinion, he doesn't have the ability to play half winger, meaning the winger inverted or a hybrid winger. Can play outside, can play inside. I think more of a 9. I think you are right. I think he might work as a 9 because he's got good technique in him. He can leap, he can run behind.
Yes.
I think when a combination play to beat one defender. Does he have the ability to beat 1, 2, 3, which sometimes 8 from the wider area? I don't think he has. But also, you look at the profile of how Kaizer Chiefs play. They attack Nama fullbacks. He's probably the only one that has a responsibility of 2v1, we in a line. So most of the teams I'm identifying, he's played a lot of matches. I'm showing a touchline press. They allow him to receive the ball, but block at the left hand side. They give him the right. All the time, I'm tumele line. So every time, line opponent. So it's been very difficult for him. I'm interested to see the progression of this team and the growth of this team. Maybe with more players, with better quality players, we'll see a different level. Like I said to you, is he a ceiling raiser? No. Is he a threat? Yes. Is he a good addition to the Kaizer Chiefs squad? In my opinion, yes.
Yeah, no, I agree with you, my leader.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Itiski TV, Itiski Time, Mulindo Pep, Bobs in Tanko.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan Bafuyetui Kamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafuyetui, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.